Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. This is the 10th video, guys. That means I'm doing question 10. If this is the first video you come across, please note that there are 9 videos before this one. Uh, you can do a question paper with me. Uh, Pause the video, write your answers, compare your answers with mine, and then we engage. We can engage if you have differences. Uh, Question 10. The picture below shows the road that link town A, B, C, and B, C, D, and E. Okay. If you start at town A, how many different ways could you drive to town E? Okay. Uh, there are three there are three parts from that link town A and B, right? So I'll simply say three. Oh, I will simply say 3, and then there are 4 parts that link town B and C multiplied by 4. How many parts that link town D and C? There are only 2. And then how many parts that link town E, town D and E, right? It's just 5. So in how many different ways? I'll simply say 3 times 4 times 2 times 5. 3 times 4 times 2 times 5. I have 120 different ways. Okay. And then we are told that the traffic police sets up 3 roadblocks. One between town A and B, the other one between town B and C, and the other one is between town C and D. What is the probability that you will go through at least one roadblock to travel from town A to B? Let's say here there's a roadblock in this road. There's another roadblock here. There's another roadblock here. Okay. For me to find the probability, guys, it will be easy for me to find the probability of traveling without passing through roadblocks. Are you together? So I'll say 1 minus the probability of traveling without roadblocks. So this is 1. The probability of traveling without a roadblock between town A and B is simply 2 over 3. Why? There are two parts that do not have a roadblock, but in total I have 3. And then between town B and C, I'll simply say 3 over 4. Between town C and D, it's simply 1 over 2. Are you together? And then whenever I reach town E, there are no roadblocks there, so the answer will be just 5 over 5. So whenever I punch this thing on my calculator, I will get the question that they want. 1 minus 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 4 multiplied by a half. I'll simply get 3 over 4 as my probability, or 0.75 if I want to write it as a decimal form. Okay. I'm being told that in the diagram below, 2 squares are shown. The largest square has an area of 1.5 times the area of the smaller square. Okay, if the area of the smaller square is just x squared, simply means the area of the larger square rather, it's 1.5 multiplied by x squared, right? So which means the area of the part part rather, which is shaded in green, I'll just subtract the two areas. I'll simply get 0,5 x squared. That's the area of the shaded part. Okay, if two darts are thrown, what is the probability that one dart will land in the green shaded area and the other and the other does not? So it simply means that okay, we are told that you can assume that both darts land within the large circle. If two of them are thrown, the first dart here, it can land on the green shaded area or in the smaller circle. Are you together? And then the second dart, it can also land in the green area or the shaded square rather. Same thing applies, green or shaded. What is the probability that a dart will land in the green shaded area? It's simply 0.5 divided by simply 0.5 divided by 1.5, right? Why I'm just dividing the areas, guys. I'll have 1 over 3, and then the probability that a dart will land on the square is simply 2 over 3, right? Same thing applies, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 1 over 3, and 2 over 3. The question said, what is the probability that one dart will land on the green shaded area and the other one does not land on the green shaded area? It simply means one dart will be on the green shaded area and the other one will be on the smaller square, right? So I just want to find the probability of green and the small square. Are you together? So that will be simply me finding the probability of finding green and the square, or the square and the green. So I'll just focus on these two tails. Just focus on those two tails, right? I will simply get 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3. This will give me 2 over 9 plus 2 over 9, right? I'll get 4 over 9. What is 4 over 9? 4 over 9 is 0.4444 reoccurring. Yeah, so my final answer is just 4 over 9. Oh, that's the end of it. With regards to probability, guys, that's how you would have tackled question 10. You can pause and rewatch the video, do it on your own, try to make sense out of it. If it doesn't make sense, just say something on the comment section and I'll try to clarify things even further. Don't forget to like and subscribe.